5 things that I love about this car. I did a review on this car so far. If you want to see the review, click right up here to check out the review. But today, this video is about 5 things I love about it. So let's go check it out. First thing first, the new design, the grille, it just looks so nice. It looks so much more aggressive. I love the new grille on them. I wasn't a huge fan of Audi before, but they're getting so much better in my eyes, and that's the first thing I love about this car. Especially on the lips here. The lip here, you can see it looks so much nicer. It's like there's a body kit on it, or like lips on the front. I don't know, but it just looks really nice. I love it. Let's check out the second thing. So the second thing that I really like about this car is the new design and the touch screen everywhere. They just brought it to this next level of futuristic kind of car, and I really like it. That's the second thing, is the design. Third thing I love about this car is the wireless charger right in here. Really cool. And the fourth thing that I love about this car is the fingerprint. When you enter the car, or when you switch on the car, you need a fingerprint to do that, and that is pretty cool. Now, the technology in this car, it's even more than my BMW i8. I wonder why. I thought that was supposed to be a futuristic car. Now, don't get me wrong. I love my BMW i8, and in fact, I did a review on it as well. And if you want to see this review, click right up here to check out the review I did on the i8. So, the fifth thing that I really like about this car, when you switch it on, the seat just brings you to the position where you set it last and where you saved it. And if, say, for example, my missus jumped into the car, because she has a second key, when she sits, it brings her to the favorite position that she like. Yeah, no comment to that. But yeah, that's what I mean. The seat is just, you switch on the car, and as you can see there, it just moved forward and it lifted her up for me, because, you know, I'm only 5'10", so yeah, that's the fifth thing and the final thing. Now, if you want to see 5 things I don't like about this, which is going to be a really hard video to do, check it out right here. In 2 days, I upload a new video every 2 days onto my YouTube channel. So in 2 days time, come back to my channel and you'll see the 5 things I don't like about this car, which is going to be really hard to do, because so far I'm in love with this car. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and tell me what's your 5 favorite things about this car. Comment below and let me know, so I can even do better videos for you guys next time. Thank you guys so much for being part of No Lemon family, and I'll see you soon.